Is the Nauticat motorsailer a safe boat? Well, I'm not in doubt that the Nauticat motorsailers are strong boats, heavy boats, and that the boat can handle rough conditions. What I'm concerned about is not weather like this, when the boat is hardly moving, the sails are hardly filling with wind, and the conditions on the sea is like today. What I'm concerned about is when you have rough waves, heavy weather, and the wind is blowing like hell. Then my opinion is that this elevated aft deck that I'm sitting on now is too high up, too elevated. It's when you get higher up, you get more movements when the boat is moving from side to side. If you look down here, whoa, it's a long way down. I think that this elevated aft deck is fantastic in nice conditions like this and in harbor, but in the rough conditions I don't feel safe here. And also these guardrails here, they are reaching to my knee, so they will not prevent me tipping over. It's going to my knee. It won't stop. And also, next point is getting in and out of this boat. You cannot do it from the aft deck here. You need to enter the boat through the sliding doors on the sides. Not safe at all when the boat is dancing rock and roll out on the big waves. So what have I done to improve this, to make this boat more safe? I've been thinking, and I think that I need to handle the heavy weather sails from inside the pilothouse. So I need to have this red line here, as you see, the sheet to the mizzen. It's actually going here and on the side, and the red line is ending up there. And then I can adjust the mizzen from the pilothouse. That is a much safer position than this aft deck. Then, as you can see, I have a furling genoa with the sheets coming to the winches here on the aft deck. In addition to this, I want to have a furling heavy weather sail on the cutter stay, inside of the genoa stay. If that is on the self-tacking rail, and I can have the sheets going to the just outside the sliding doors, then I can handle both the mizzen and the heavy weather jib from inside the pilothouse. Well, I think this will be a much safer boat. This is something that works in my theory, in my head. If it works in reality, out on the open ocean, in rough conditions, I don't know yet. What do you think? Do you think that the Nauticat motorsailers are safe boats to sail? And what are your suggestions for making this boat even safer? Do you think my solution is a good solution, or do you think there are better solutions? Please leave a comment, and I am very happy to hear what your opinion is.